Hey there guys, so I have my Google Spreadsheet monthly budget template open, and I've reset the values to 0 and put in some new categories for expenses that I believe I might have. I currently don't have all of these expenses, nor do I make this much money, but this is an exercise, so we'll just go with it. Also, for this purpose, I'm not calculating taxes taken off of my paycheck. So, for the job that I looked up for a past assignment, the rate of pay was $20, and the availability of work was about 40 hours a week. So, since this is a monthly budget, I multiplied 20 times 40, and it gives me $800, and that's for 1 week of work. Let's say I get paid bi-weekly. So we'll do 800 times 2, give me $1,600 for 2 weeks, or 1 paycheck. So 1,600 times 2 will give me this number, $3,200, which is the planned paycheck that I have in my Google spreadsheet. So go over here to the expenses that I believe I would have. I don't know how much groceries actually go for. I've done some shopping. I know you can get fruit pretty cheap. Meat's expensive. Don't necessarily have to go with the high-end seasonings and pasta and stuff like that. I believe I'm pretty good at just going with the great value stuff. I don't need the best of the best. So I believe my grocery costs will be about $200. I do like to eat out a lot. I enjoy going to restaurants. I enjoy experiencing new foods. However, I am cautious of how much I eat out. So even though I do enjoy it, I do limit myself. I think about $200 a month sounds like around the amount of price that I'd be willing to eat out at restaurants, spend on restaurants. Gas, we all know we have to travel. I have a car. That thing is a gas guzzler. I think $200 is close to the amount of gas that I spend currently every month for the amount of gas that I use and the amount of traveling that I do. Internet bills, $60. I know that's pretty much on the high end. I hate slow downloading speeds, so I'm willing to pay $60 for some good internet. Rent, I know varies by the location. Maybe you don't even have a rent, maybe you have a mortgage. A house, I know I'm probably going to be renting for a while until I can muster money to buy an actual home. $300 sounds about what I would be paying for maybe a medium tier apartment, or maybe I'm rooming with some friends in a house. $300 sounds like a good deal. Phone bill, $120. Gotta have the latest iPhone. You know that. Pets, I love my dog. Dog food isn't that expensive. Hopefully he doesn't have any medications or procedures needed. I believe about $80 a month is currently what I spend, maybe even less, on my dog. Utilities, looked at the average, about $270. That may change depending if I have roommates or not. That in there for this exercise. Personal, this could be anything. I love to spend money. I love to buy clothes. I love to buy shoes. I love to just go to the movies. I like to just experience new things. Like I'll pay $12 for a museum ticket. I don't care. I love just experiencing and spending money. So I put about $400 to give myself basically some fun money. Money that I would use to do things that I want or buy things that I want. So, as you can see, I have a value here of $98. The cool thing about this monthly budget template on Google Spreadsheets is that you can easily track your transactions, and it'll automatically be inserted into the data of your monthly budget. So as you can see here, I have let's say I bought some shoes today, and let's say they're about $98. Usually they're a little bit more, but I like to look at the deal. $98 sounds like a good price for some good looking shoes. And I put it under personal because, like I said, well, first of all, shoes is not a necessity. It is not a rent. It's not something important. I already have shoes. I don't need more shoes, but I like to buy shoes. So I put it under personal. And as you can see, it was automatically put into my budget sheet. So yeah, guys, this is how I would budget with my new income of $3,200. I would love to have it. Alright, thanks guys.